Meaning of exist.
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 Exist. The word exist refers to the state of being alive or present in the world. It signifies the experience of having physical reality or an actual presence, rather than simply being imagined or conceptualized. To exist means to occupy a certain space or place in time, and to interact with the environment in meaningful ways. It is the fundamental condition of all things that are capable of being perceived or known, including living organisms, inanimate objects, and abstract concepts. In short, to exist is to be a part of the ongoing fabric of the universe.